Well, good morning and happy Saturday, boys and girls. Today I'm doing a video I didn't think I'd be doing today, and that's the unboxing of the little C8 model you get when you purchase a new C8 Corvette. All right, let's do a little intro and get into it. Well, like I said, good morning, guys. So yesterday, this showed up at my door. I didn't know what it was. It was in a box from FedEx. I purchased this guy at Christmas, and I was not expecting to even get one, let alone get one 3 months later. I know a lot of guys on forums and stuff have been talking like, hey, I purchased my car 2 years ago. I've never got a model. So yeah, I was shocked that it got here in 3 months. I don't know why. I'm not mad, but it was a pretty cool little surprise yesterday. So in any case, I've not seen one of these open box on YouTube, so I was like, hey, I'll throw it out there if anyone else is interested, show you exactly what you get. Like I said, if I knew what this was, I would have done a fresh, clean open box out of the actual box, but it is what it is. So I'll go ahead, turn you around, and start opening this guy up. All right, so here it is. Here's the box. Very nice packaging. It's got a lot of weight to it. That kind of caught me off guard. And again, when I got this box yesterday, it was just a very plain brown box. It said GM on it, but I was like, there's no way it's a model already. But sure enough, it was. So I did open this once already, just out of curiosity. You get a little envelope with some stuff inside of it. We'll go over that last. And again, like I said, very premium box. And this is one of those things where if you keep the car for a long time and keep the car stock, you want to sell it, or even at car show, this is a really good little accessory to bring with you. Really, really cool. And it's really neat that the Corvette team does this now. Even this up here, the foam that keeps it encased, really, really neat. And here it is, a little plaque. Like I said, it was much heavier than I thought. I don't know what this is. It's like porcelain or something. It's got some good weight to it. And in case you didn't know, whatever color car you get is the color model you're going to get. So it should match the car perfectly, which hopefully on camera you can see. And this little guy does come off. It's magnetic. So if you want to take this thing to work, maybe put it on your office desk, you could, or leave it on here magnetic. Got both your VIN and your model year right there. Pretty cool. When I finally get my garage redone here in the future, and I've been saying that forever, this will probably be a cool little desk piece, little show off thing or something. Probably display it like this with a box in the background. I don't know, something like that. But it's pretty cool. All right, you get a little envelope too. And again, this is very nice, very high quality. It's embossed right there. Feels really good. So you get two of these little certificates, both kind of thanking you for buying the product, or Corvette, I guess. This one's a free subscription to, what is this? America's Sport Car Magazine. And it's signed by all the major hitters at GM. And this is my, oh, that's interesting. This is actually my dealer. I didn't realize that it was dealer specific on this little certificate. That's kind of cool. So maybe because I got this through Criswell, I got it so fast. I have no idea. So you have Taz Jector right there, Steve Majeros. Hopefully I'm saying that right. And yeah, just kind of thanking you. It's pretty cool. And the other thing I thought was pretty cool, this is for the Ron Fellows deal. I think when you bought a 2020, you got a free trip out there. You still get a trip out there, but it's at a discounted rate. It's good for the rest of the year. And this is just saying it's at a reduced rate. So I'm assuming the total cost is $1,000, but you still have to pay your airfare out there, which is still pretty cool. Maybe if I have some time this summer, I'll try to do it. I'm so damn busy. It's hard, but pretty freaking cool. Regardless, I'm gonna keep all of this stuff. I'll never get rid of it. Even if I sell the car one day, I'll keep all the little goodies that came with it, because it's pretty freaking cool. So yeah, that's what you get. Like I said, I know a lot of guys have bought their cars years ago and still not received it. I don't know if it's a dealer specific thing, if they have to do something special to make sure you get it. I have no clue. But I will say this, yesterday I posted this on Facebook that I got my model in just 3 months, and there was like 5 or 6 other people in the same group that also received their ceramic matrix gray yesterday. So I'm assuming they do these in batches, if I had to guess. No idea. But like I said, it's a really cool little piece to have, and it's really neat. It looks really freaking cool. And again, it's super heavy. This thing probably weighs about 2 pounds. So today at some point, it's an Easter weekend, but I'm gonna text my salesman. He's really cool, really approachable, and ask them if there's anything specific people need to do that are trying to get one as well. Maybe it's a Criswell thing, they get them so quick. I have no clue. Hopefully you can shed some light on it. And if I get any feedback of what you need to do if you haven't got one, I'll let you guys know. Because it's a really cool little thing, a little toy to have with your C8. You know, and it sucks that some people get them and some don't. I don't know. And I was not expecting to get one in 2023, so kind of cool. Well, anyways, guys, that's it for today. Quick little video. It's holiday weekend. I'm going to go enjoy it. Hopefully you guys do the same. And I got 2 videos coming out next week, which are pretty freaking cool. So I'll see you guys then. Until then, take care. Mark out.